Today we are going to discussing about the celebrity wish list and expectations. While you are conducting any event, you have to welcome an important celebrity to be host in your event. Because you are welcoming any celebrity towards your event, it is a very good chance to you to market your event towards the participants and audiences. Then you can create a buzz to gather a mass gathering towards your event. So before going to welcoming any celebrity, you have to submit some wish list, because with his consent, with his permission, you have to fulfill all his requirements. So what are his requirements? Let us see wish list of celebrity. The first one is minimum maximum number of participants. You have to tell about, sir, this much of gathering that we are going to conducting on our event, like 1,000 members or 500 members, at 2,000 people will come. We are expecting to come present into the today's event. And venue accessibility, where you would like to provide the venue nearby the NEC, like in you can say, or you are arranged any separate ground. So what is the venue which is open event or is a closed auditorium event, you have to specify towards the celebrity. And welcoming arrangements, whatever is welcoming arrangement, when he has to come, how much time that you are going to give in that particular event, how much time he has to spend, you have to specify. And availability of the equipment such as music and mics and etc. Means what are the entertainment and equipments that we have provided. If we have prepared any AV about him, with his permission we are conducting some background information about him, also you have to provide that AV. So these are the wish list of the celebrity. And next, wish list for the celebrity means the audience, the participants will expect something from his favorite celebrity. For example, మహేష్ బాబు ప్రభాస్ వస్తున్నాడు అనుకోండి, ఆయన నుంచి ఏం ప్రజలు కోరుకుంటున్నారు అనేది ముందుగానే మనం ఆయనకి తెలియజేయాలి. సో దట్స్ వై హియర్ విష్ లిస్ట్ ఫర్ సెలబ్రిటీ. వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఇట్ ఇంక్లూడ్స్ ఫస్ట్ వన్, రిక్వెస్ట్ ఫర్ ఎనీ స్పెసిఫిక్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్. While he is coming and giving his performance, even in IIMs also, some famous Rajmouli and some of the Virat Kohli, if they would like to attend that addressing the gathering of the students, at the end we are expecting to perform their performance. We have to before inform to him. And minimum and maximum time duration for the celebrity, how much time he has to spend with that event, how to you have to specify. And sharing of any motivational and incidental from celebrities' life. Yes, what like is there any important motivational situation is happen in their personal life, you can ask him to share in that particular public event with his consent only. And next one, meeting the audiences, some important VIPs or special die-hardcore fans or special students may would like to interact with the celebrity. You have to arrange a separate gathering to meet celebrity with that audiences also. So this is the way that we have to welcoming the celebrity and fulfilling the requirements of the clients. Thank you.